Let's learn the animal names with the help of flashcards. Thanks for landing here. Subscribe to our channel to learn with fun. Uakari, U for Uakari. Sea turtle, S for sea turtle. Jaguar, J for jaguar. Tiger, T for tiger. Rhino, R for rhino. Goat, G for goat. Giraffe, G for giraffe. Crocodile, C for crocodile. Dolphin, D for dolphin. Horse, H for horse. Lion, L for lion. Seal, S for seal. Lizard, L for lizard. Shell, S for shell. Bear, B for bear. Pony, P for pony. Dog, D for dog. Hedgehog, H for hedgehog. Quail, Q for quail. Iguana, I for iguana. Seahorse, S for seahorse. Squirrel, S for squirrel. Camel, C for camel. Cow, C for cow. Hippo, H for hippo. Bat, B for bat. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to learn with fun.